Have you ever wondered why some short-term rental hosts go from one property to 10 in just a few years, while others get stuck managing just one? Scaling your STR business isn't just possible, it's strategic. And today I'm breaking down exactly how the pros grow. You've already done the hard part. You got your first property off the ground. You figured out how to handle bookings, late night calls, and that surprise plumbing issue at 2 a.m. in the morning. But now you're ready for more. You're not just building a business, you're building a future. Hi, I'm Dustin with AirDNA. In this video, we're going to explore how to scale your short-term rental portfolio the smart way. We'll talk about the right foundation, strategic growth moves, and how to avoid the traps that trip up even the most ambitious hosts. Stick around because by the end, you'll have a roadmap to grow your business without losing your mind or your margins. Set clear goals. Before you jump into your next property, take a beat. What's your goal? Is it maximizing monthly income? Building long-term equity? Maybe both? Setting clear, actionable goals will help you stay focused when problems or distractions arise. Think about this like climbing a mountain. You don't start sprinting to the top. You plot your path. Check your gear and make your way to the summit at a slow and steady pace. Educate yourself. Successful investors don't chase properties. They follow a plan. Maybe you've heard of the BRRRR method or using DSCR loans. These aren't just acronyms. They're tools to help you scale smart. Make sure you do your research and understand the best strategies for your rental business to continue to grow. Learn from your first property. Your first property isn't just a learning curve. It's your secret weapon. What works and what doesn't? Do you have high occupancy and great average daily rates? Or are your guests always asking for better Wi-Fi? This is where you start to spot patterns. Successful hosts don't guess, they analyze. And what you learn here shapes every decision moving forward. By incorporating these learnings into your real estate investment approach, you can achieve a more seamless scaling process where every new property enhances your previous successes. Decide how to manage at scale. Scaling doesn't mean working 10 times harder. It means working differently. You've got two paths: self-management or delegation. This choice impacts everything from guest satisfaction to the scalability of your investments. So make sure to give it the consideration it deserves. If you want to keep control and go the self-management route, you'll need systems. I'm talking automation, booking tools, dynamic pricing, but if you'd rather focus on growth, turning the reins over to a property manager can free you up, but at a cost. Do your research. Not all markets are created equal. Some see high demand year-round, while others might be incredibly competitive. That's why you need data, AirDNA level data. Using AirDNA can help you answer important questions about which markets to invest in. What's the seasonal RevPAR? What's the regulatory landscape? How many properties are already in this area? You wouldn't invest blindfolded, so don't scale that way. Find those hidden gems, the Coachella Valleys in spring, the Park Cities in winter. Diversify not just by property type, but by seasonal demand. Explore financing options. Traditional mortgages, those are just one option. In order to look into DSCR loans, they look at your property's income, not just your personal one. If you've built equity, use it. Reinvest it. Let your properties fuel the next one. Scaling is about using every tool at your disposal. Let's be real. More properties, more problems. Review scores can dip, maintaining cleanliness and prompt communication gets harder. AirDNA data shows that hosts in the US with one property have average review scores around 4.89. Hosts with 100 or more, they drop to an average of about 4.66. AirDNA analysis also indicates that hosts with a single property outperform larger hosts in cleanliness and communication. This shows that maintaining consistent standards of cleanliness and communication becomes more difficult across a larger portfolio. These aren't signs of failure, it's an indication that you need systems in place to excel. Automate guest communication, use a dynamic pricing tool, tighten your cleaning schedules. Scale doesn't mean sacrificing quality, it means investing in it. This isn't set it and forget it. Great hosts review their portfolio frequently. As you scale, you'll want to look at more than metrics to better understand your path forward. What's underperforming, what needs reinvestment. Sometimes the smart move is to sell a property that's dragging you down and roll into something better with a 1031 exchange. Let me ask you, what's the biggest challenge you face trying to scale your rental business? Drop it in the comments. Let's share what's working and what's not. Scaling your short-term rental business isn't just about more, it's about better. Better planning, better tools, better insights. Whether you're going from 1 to 3 properties or dreaming of 30, remember, smart growth beats fast growth every time. If you want more deep dives like this, hit subscribe and check out the links in the description below for tools and guides that can help you take your STR game to the next level.